So we just got done mowing the lawn today, and I got to have my first crack at using the new Milwaukee reciprocating attachment for the quick lock trimmer. Today was my first impression of using the reciprocator. This is a brand new tool that just launched in 2024 by Milwaukee Tools as they're expanding on their outdoor power equipment line. And one of the tools that has been really gaining a lot of popularity, or really I should say attachments, are reciprocator attachments or power rotary scissors. I've been using power rotary scissors for a long time on my lawn, ever since I started mowing relatively low when I had Kentucky bluegrass, and even last year with my tall fescue, I've been using power rotary scissors to really get nice tight edges and clean cuts around objects, because really the biggest advantage to using something like this in place of a string trimmer is that, as you can see, there are a lot of little knife blades. My camera will focus here on this attachment, and this is going to give you more of a clean cut when it comes to trimming around objects, mainly because you're not whipping the grass with a piece of string. You're essentially cutting it with scissors much more closely to what like a rotary mower or a reel mower is going to get you. So these attachments have become really popular. I'm not surprised that more equipment manufacturers are starting to come out with their own versions of these. And so today is really my first impression of using these. I just mowed my lawn and I did some trimming with this. So let's talk about some of the things I like about it and some of the things I don't. Okay, so really first thing that I noticed right out of the bat in using this compared to the rotary scissors I've used for a long time is the noise level. These are much quieter than the rotary scissors are, and really they feel about the same, right, as far as weight is concerned. These are very heavy duty. Like overall the build quality looks really good. Much like anything you get from Milwaukee Tool, typically they're very good about build quality, just overall quality in general. And then the other thing I noticed is on the power rotary scissors, there's a place for you to give it some grease, okay? So the rotary scissors, on the inside of the housing, it will hold some EP0 grease. The Milwaukee setup is a little bit different in that you don't have that same type of configuration where the blades inside are accepting grease. They're really kind of external on this tool. So you don't have to grease these like you do with the power rotary scissors. Another thing I like about the attachment series is that if you've already bought into a battery platform and you're already using the Milwaukee outdoor tools that have been in the market for some time, you don't have to replace anything. You don't have to buy any special adapters like you do with the power rotary scissors. I'd say that's the one thing with the rotary scissors that can be a little bit annoying, is you don't know what power heads work best with that unit. You really want to have something with a significant amount of power to use those. The Milwaukee rotary attachment will just go right into the standard quick lock. If you've already got this, then all you need to do is add a reciprocator attachment and you're ready to go. So here's one of the really big advantages to using a tool like this with the reciprocators. You can see all down the fence line from running a weed whacker like a string trimmer on this. The string trimmer just throws grass everywhere and it gets stuck to the fence, right? And this is not a good look. In fact, that's really an eyesore. The cool thing about this type of tool is when you run the reciprocator, the grass just lays down. It doesn't get thrown everywhere. So it doesn't get thrown all over you. It doesn't get thrown all over the fence and landscaping and things like that. And that's one of the things that I really enjoy about this. I also like to edge with this too. So when I was using my rotary scissors, I would edge with those. That does wear down the blades a little bit faster. You may have to replace the blades a little bit sooner if you're edging with it, just because you're pushing it up against the concrete. But it does give you a very nice tight edge if that's what you like. Some people swear by the string trimmer. They can do a great job with it, or even the edging tool that has a blade. The blades are easily replaceable. You can also edge with one of these if you really like a nice tight edge. Because of how thin these are, they get a really nice tiny gap in between the sidewalk and the grass when you're making a really nice tight edge. So these are great for that, although I wouldn't go too crazy with it because at some point you may have to replace these blades and they can get a little bit costly. So that kind of leads me to really my one down point about this attachment is the barrier of entry. So the price for this is $399. So we'll call it $400. If you want the power rotary scissors that can really be attached to any string trimmer out there, it's going to be about $100 less for these. Now, of course, you can always retrofit this attachment to fit on any string trimmer head that you want to. However, it comes out of the box ready to go into the quick lock. So if you're already on the Milwaukee system and you want these, $399 really isn't that big of a deal because you already have the power head and the batteries and everything that goes along with it. So you don't have to buy all of those things. All you have to buy is the attachment itself. So that's really the only downside, I think, is the cost. However, given the sheer build quality of this, you know, I think it's probably worth that. But there are cheaper options out there. But if you want the Milwaukee, that's what it's going to cost you. It's about $400 to get in the door with one of these. I have a lot of tools I'm adding to my Milwaukee arsenal this year. Milwaukee is releasing a whole bunch of new outdoor power equipment, so I'm going to be showing you all of those and doing you know, various jobs around the yard here using those attachments. So stay tuned for more videos. Those are my initial thoughts on the new reciprocating attachment by Milwaukee Tool. Overall, very positive experience with this. But then again, there is that price point. So if you're okay with it, go ahead and go out and grab these. I'll link them up for you in the description below if you'd like to go check them out from a few different vendors. But that's really kind of a wrap on today's video. So hope you like the content. If you have any questions on these, don't be afraid, leave those down in the comment section below. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. And I'll see you next time.